Welcome back to our channel. Please like and subscribe so you can stay up to date on all of our upcoming videos.
Late for him. It was just like, she's gotta do it around her.
Where's that? Lansing.
Yeah, it's actually north
Okay. You Cliff went along?
No, his friend Greg was meeting him, but then, like I said, Jake was coming separately. And wasn't gonna have contact with him
Right.
because he's called the closet. And I said, well, you just pulled in the driveway.
Let's see.
You can ask him yourself.
Yeah. Yeah, that would be good.
But I said he planned on doing early voting and voting the day in person. I finally. So that was nice. You know, that would be a battle. And it's just like anybody though, if you're there's the work that you do it. That's not what you want to come home and do.
But he would.
He would, but even a couple of the things that he likes seeing a lot of stuff. I figured it's probably the other areas.
No, last year,
Yeah,
yeah, the gleam, what did they call it? The
Gleam?
gleam? Gleam, when they had the like children.
I thought it was Gleam with an M.
The gleam?
Yeah.
Anyway, in the fall, they do that, but they can't support this. But it's really neat.
Over.
Dark out. All these beautiful lights.
I do remember the night she started she has been finding all of these hiding places.
In the house.
Yeah.
Yep.
And the back here there's some things hiding. So it looks in the background underneath the cabinet she went, and then where they have the beautiful there's a little bit of a hole. In the hole behind them. In between the wall.
Like, how did they do it? Trails like this, you can go in the woods and kind of do your meditating walk. And it was, you know, it was cooler out It's good, you know. This year was pretty good.
So they don't do anything with these increased numbers of elective surgeries.
We've had to cut, well, they're trying to look at anybody who can that's planning to spend the night if it's not emergent. No, they wrote about it somewhere.
There's a plaque.
It is beautiful. Day 2 of my walks. Today we are out at Kegonsa. Beautiful sunset. I'll stop moving so you can actually see around. Kind of doing a loop. We'll see how far I get. It's kind of hard to record and walk, but we'll try it out. Figured this would be one of the last nicest days here, so get out and see the state parks. You got the nice woods behind me. Where's the sunset? Oh, it's over there. It's just beautiful out here though. leave it to me to go for a walk and get somewhat lost. I'm on a loop, but still forget where I'm supposed to go. I know the car's back there somewhere. Somewhere in that direction. Just gotta walk towards the sunset, I guess. Okay, so let's hope that I'm actually on the right path. Got two different directions. Being that it's my birthday this weekend, I thought I would bake some treats to bring home to my parents because they are making me a dessert, but I got some caramel apple cookies that they can have. So I'm gonna bring those to them tomorrow. And they smell amazing. I'm not gonna have any. At least not till my actual birthday or till tomorrow when we celebrate. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video from Move United. So at the start of the pandemic, well, maybe not the start, when I lost my job in March, I believe it was March or May, maybe April, I don't know. Somewhere in those months, I found this company through either Facebook or a mutual friend, and their purpose is to improve the lives of wounded warriors, youth, and adults with disabilities by providing them sports and recreation opportunities. And so when I logged on, I saw that they had this free fitness kit that if you had a disability, you could order. And I was like, that would be amazing because I only have a couple weights, I have a weight, and I don't have a lot of equipment to stay in my apartment and work out. So I was excited to be able to order this. So let's check it out. Okay, let's see if I can open it. Yeah, I half opened it, but I'll show you. Came in a nice little box, all wrapped up. I really appreciate that Move United does this. Ooh, okay. So, we got a water bottle. It's a nice one, I like it. A towel. Ooh, a t-shirt. We'll see. It's large, but we're gonna find out. What else? Free sun shields. I've never had a sun shield, so I'm not entirely sure about this, but we're gonna find out. It shows you a bunch of different ways that you can wear it. One more time. Just gives you a couple little suggestions here. I don't know. What else? Ooh, these ones I like. Resistance bands. So it looks like we got two different kinds. Thankfully I have a bunch of these, so I love these. Light resistance is the blue one, and I believe the black one is difficult, but I am excited nonetheless. And, ooh, cordless jump ropes. I've never actually used these kind before, so I'm very excited to try them out. And then finally, a pump. This right here is what I was looking forward to. When I saw that on the list, I was like, yes, we are ordering it. Because this is what I want to slam on the ground, and it's gonna really work my arms. Yeah. Oh, that's gonna be fun. I can't wait. And then we got a magnet and a sticker. Let's see, I think that's it. Yep, and then just a card that talks about them. So, Move United, thank you so much for doing this for individuals with disabilities, wounded warriors, everybody. We all want to move around and, you know, want to better ourselves. So at least for me, I really appreciate that you are doing this, especially now when we are all, not we all, but we are mostly stuck at home and you can't do a whole lot. So this really helps out. I can't wait to try all of these out, and I will definitely have a video coming up soon. Thanks. Just kidding, I'm back. I decided we're gonna open some of these, and I wanna just take a look at them, because again, I'm excited about these. It's all messed up, okay? So you just spin it around. I mean, I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to be standing and like I'm jumping, but like I'm jump roping, I guess, but that is cool. I like them. Alright. Oh yeah, let's open this sun shield. I'm gonna have to look at all the ideas that they gave. If anybody knows how to wear a sun shield or what I should do with this, please comment below, because I've never actually heard of sun shield. And I mean, it's kind of large, so I don't really know if it's supposed to go on my head, on my neck, all of the above. I would love to hear from you, so please comment below. It's a soft, fuzzy towel. Oh, it's upside down, sorry. That'll be really helpful. This insulated water bottle. I always need a water bottle. And I was just saying that I need one in my car so that I actually drink water in between when I'm driving and whatnot. So this is actually gonna work out really well. Thank you. Because, you know, I do have this one, Rise Above one, but I don't always remember to put it right by my driver's seat. Eh. Alright, got a t-shirt. Like I said, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a little large, but that's okay. Nonetheless, I'm excited for it. I always need new workout shirts. Alright, we are gonna open up this medicine ball. Because like I said, this is what I'm here for. See if I can actually put it together. That's the better question, right? You know what? This is actually a wonderful idea. I was gonna go back out to some state parks this week, maybe this weekend for my birthday, and I can bring these. Yeah. Oh, now I'm really looking forward to those. was like, somehow I don't think that sounds. Not sure if this is actually working, but you know what? Oh, it is. It's getting there, kinda. Maybe the faster I go, it'll work. I don't know. Getting my arm workout in though this morning. I'll be back momentarily with you once it's inflated. And we're back. I didn't get it all the way inflated, but it's mostly there. So this will be good to have, it says inflate to 2 pounds. It's gonna act for me like a medicine ball. It's not as heavy as ones I've used before, but this will be a really good one to be out at a park, or somehow I don't think I should do it on my patio because being on the 5th floor, I don't really want it to go flying and then never find it again. But this one I'm going to take out to some parks next week when the weather is nice again, and I'll probably share some videos of some workouts that I do. I cannot tell you how excited I am about all of these. This is gonna be good. This is what I need. And like a lot of these you can use in smaller spaces. You don't need a lot of room to work out, and I'm really thankful that again that this package came and I'm able to use it. So thank you so much, Move United. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys. Have a great day. If I can talk.